Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. This MSR 20-ounce fuel bottle makes transporting your fuel when you're camping really safe and easy. So this is the 20-ounce size, but it also comes in an 11-ounce and 30-ounce size as well. We really like these bottles because they are made from a single piece of aluminum, so there's no seams, so they do not leak. They also have a child-resistant push and twist cap for safety, and they really don't weigh a lot. This one weighs 5.6 ounces, so it is absolutely perfect for backpacking. You can put it in a side pocket and not have to worry about it. So we use these in conjunction with our MSR Whisper Light camp stove, and it is a really great setup. It's super easy to use and the pieces work so well together. And again, super easy to pack it in your backpack. You're not even gonna know it's there. We also love that you can fill these bottles with any fuel that works with the MSR stove, including white gas, kerosene, diesel, auto gas, mineral spirits, and even jet fuel if you happen to have jet fuel on hand. Overall, it is a durable, well-built, easy to use bottle to safely transport fuel. So I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.